Good morning guys, today I've got OPPO K11 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select password and security and select fingerprint. Tap on agree and click on continue. Before you add your fingerprint, you have to set some backup. It can be a numeric password, alphanumeric or pattern, and I would go with third one. So as you can see, your lock screen password cannot be retrieved if you forget it, which means that you will no longer be able to unlock your phone or view phone data. So just remember to remember it. Tap on continue and now draw it, then draw it again to confirm. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. As you can see, the sensor is located in this sector, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And click on done. So that's it, that will be all. From now on you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.